These are going to be the second bank of Emerald Bay elevators here at the Gaylord Palms in Kissimmee, Florida. Which, this is the beautiful, beautiful atrium. Which, as you can see, it's all decorated up for Christmas. There's one of them going up. Look at that. Like I said, all decorated up for Christmas. Okay, let's go on and take it for a ride. Pretty similar to the other bank in this part of the hotel. Also KONE with KSS 220 fixtures, or Series 220. Let's go down to the lower level, and we'll get ourselves a cab view first. Ooh, these ones actually power stop a bit. And we are gonna go up to 8. Here we go. Lower level. Here we go. And we're stopping because this is about checkout time.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Good, good. Their trees look real, but they're so pretty.
Yeah, they are pretty. Is this where you want to get off?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem. Back up to 8. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back here. Here are 8. Alright, and we're gonna go down to 1, and we're gonna end there. And then we're gonna get off here, and what we're gonna do first, send it up. And we're gonna watch it go up. I'm already missing my chance to watch it go, but it must have stopped. Crap. Oh well. Yeah, it stopped somewhere. Well, oh well. Well, anyway, there it goes, and that's it.